Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable basic protection on Imo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Imo HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on security and privacy. Then tap on login protection. Next you can see the option of basic protection. Turn off it by tapping on it. Next tap on disable. So this is how you can disable basic protection on Imo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.